Hello friends, Arbab is here and you are watching Arbab Zahoor FX Trader. In this video, I am going to backtest the ICT Judas swing of the recent week. Today is the 19th of August. So basically I will test from this week 13 to 18. Okay, so I will show you how many trades we get in ICT and what is the probability. So you must watch this video till end. It will also revise your the strategy, and also if you are new you will get to learn about this very simple daily based strategy. It can be you find it will be you find in many pairs of forex and indices. So here are the rules, okay, of ICT Judas swing. Midnight open of New York, mark out by this simple line, okay, and then mark day high and low before 8:30. Means from this time frame, like New York open in 24, okay, at the night, and from 24 to 8:29 of the morning of New York time, we have to mark the high and low of the market, okay. Like I will explain you here, simple. For example, this is the 8:30, for example, this line, and this is the 8:29, not 8:30, okay. Between these price, if do anything, we don't care, okay, we will wait until our time, okay. What we have to do before price reach to this our 8:29 our time frame, we have to mark out our high, okay, and our low of the day, okay, between this time frame, okay. After that, what we have to do, we have to wait after a time period, the price either sweep the high or the low of the day, and then we will wait for a valid swing and then a market structure shift, okay, with displacement, and we found any fair value gap, enter here and target the opposite side liquidity or opposite side of the day, okay. The simple rules. So I will show you how it's work and how it's look like, so stay with me. So I'm in a 5-minute time frame, Euro USD. It will be work on Euro USD, GP USD, OD USD, SPX 500, and many other indices and many other forex pair. Okay, but stick with the major pairs. You will and stick with only 1 or 2 pairs. You will get entry almost 1 to 3 entries in the week mostly. Okay. So as I said, I will mark like this is your time frame should be a UTC -4 of New York. Mark out the 24, okay, the midnight open of New York, and mark out the 8:30, okay. Once you mark out both sides, then you have to mark out the high and low of the day, okay. This is the low of the day, okay. Sorry, this one is the low of the day, okay, before 8:30. This is 8:25. So we have to wait to price sweep the low or high. So if price sweep the low, we have to target the upside many times, but that happen we don't find the trade, but don't worry, stick with the rules. You will also pass the pro firm challenge, or also you will even you are using your own fund, you can increase your account and easily happy living, okay, no problem. Okay, let's see. Okay, once price break the 8:30, okay, so what we have to do, we have to shift on 1-minute time frame, okay, and then we have to wait for a market structure shift with valid displacement, okay. So let's see. So if we want to change a market structure shift, we have this swing point, because this is the candle. We have also got a fractal high, and also you can say this candle take previous candle liquidity, okay. So we will go further, okay. As you seen, price take a make here this thing, but not be confused here, because this is the big candle, as you seen, okay. This is the big candle, and inside the these all price action are inside in this candle, okay. So we have to what to do, we have to wait for a valid swing point, okay, not a fractal high and low. Fractal high and low only for the silver bullish strategy and other. It will work on here, but we will find only a high probability trades, okay. So let's see, even if we got like some many of traders enter, okay, for example, let's say if you are enter here, okay, enter here with this stop loss and enter upside, even you out, don't worry, we have many another chance. So we will see to the next. Okay. Okay, if you are stop out here, don't worry, wait for another what say another chance. Okay, now we have this high need to be go broke. Okay, and then we called a market structure shift. Okay, we got another. We have time of trade until 11:30. Okay, so you must remember 11:30. Okay, after 11:30 these trades are invalid because there will be a no volume. Many hedge funds, many managers are went for a lunch. Okay, now we have, yeah, we have this point, valid swing point. We have this valid swing point. Okay, we have these valid swing point. Okay, okay, it's a just sweep. Okay, so we will wait for break of this one. Okay, many ICT considers sometimes this also market structure shift, and many other his student also follow, but I'm only watch a best opportunity for the trade. Okay, like here we got a market structure shift with displacement. Now we will get a fair value gap here. Okay, so we will enter in the fair value gap, put our stop loss. If we don't have any fair value gap here, just put downside of that fair value gap. Okay, here was a fair value gap that was taken by this move. Okay, so these also sometime you find a trade valid because see price came back and reaction on this fair value gap. Okay, and then we have also fractal low also work here, also fair value gap that works. So if we don't have any fair value gap, just put the swing, the recent swing low, and target the opposite side of liquidity. Okay, go to the 5-minute time frame and put your stop loss on the opposite side of that one. First, second, third, just manage then your trade. Okay, we are in the trade and we are trailing our stop loss, second TP. Okay, first it's once it's TP, break even and manage your risk and trade everything. Okay, we also hit the second one like this. Okay, almost 50 pip. So there was a news as well, so you will in news day, if you find like this setup, don't forget, even you step out for one time, trade anyone, trade another opportunity. ICT or SMC have a good thing is that they have a very narrow stop loss and risk to reward is good. You get best opportunities every day on many pairs. Okay, so let's jump to the next day. Now we are on Tuesday 15th of August. I mark out as per our rule at the midnight, before 8:30, and our last window period 11:30. Okay, your trade can be run after as well, there's no problem, but your take entry must be in the this time zone. Okay, we mark out the high and the low before 8:30. Okay, and also we have a news day. So in news day also wait for watch the forexfactory.com, so you also know that the news, and you also save your account to blow up, because many times if it's go to against you, it will blow up your account. The broker cannot SL even hit your SL or even another things, even your TP, so you have to do by manually. We are 5-minute time frame. Yeah, so as you see, price take out the low of the day. Okay, so we shift to our time frame period, and we have these high that need to be for a market structure shift, or we need another low. So this is fractal low, but as I say, I have not used fractal low for this one. Yeah, I got here market structure shift with displacement. Okay, so now in the leg we have many fair value gap, so we will see where we can place our buy limit. Okay, so we have fair value gap here. Okay, this minor fair value gap, and this one is filled, this one is filled, so only we have this fair value gap. Okay, but if we have fair value gap downside, or but you are aggressive to enter here, then you must put your stop loss to the below of that extreme fair value gap. Okay, so we put our buy limit here, swing low, recent, I put this one. Okay, or if we are have fair value gap or here, then and we are aggressive, then we can come downside, or we can simply use a 50% tool and we can enter. Okay, this is also the scenario you can use it. Okay, so I put here opposite side liquidity is here, these are equal lows, and second here. Okay, the high of the day. So let's see how the price play out. We are in the trade and we hit our TP. Okay, so risk the trade once you hit the TP. Okay, now jump to the next day. Okay, now we are on 16th of August, Wednesday. I mark out as per our rules. So let's see, this is our 825, New York is open. We wait for the price take out the low of the day, and then we will shift to the our lower time frame. Once it's take out, then we shift to the 1 minute time frame and wait for a market structure shift. Okay, in this case we have this one. Okay, we got this displacement with a gap, so we can enter here. Okay, but we have also a fair value gap here. Okay, we have fair value gap here, so we will see how it's play out. Okay, put the stop loss to the downside, target the opposite side liquidity and opposite of the day. Okay, so see, we will win or lose. Okay, so we lost this trade, rules was same, but we don't get, price trap us and go downside. Okay, now we will find another opportunity. Don't worry, we got the low, we have another low here, no problem. We need displacement. Yeah, we got a good displacement with a fair value gap. We can enter directly here. We have no another fair value gap, and also take the liquidity, so it seems look like it's a good. So we have these equal lows and upside also you can take. So we will see this play out, or yeah, it's play out. Good trade. We have these equal lows here as well. So now jump to the next day. Now we are on 17th of the August. We mark out everything as per our plan ICT, as IC said, high and low. So we are waiting for to price take out the high, then we will shift to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, price take the high, now we will shift to the 1 minute time frame. Now we need a market structure shift here. Okay, so let's play out. Market does not. Okay, now we got another, sorry, just a moment. We got another high, equal highs, so now we have this low. So let's see. Okay, market structure shift displacement, we have fair value gap here. We can enter, put our stop loss to the high, recent high, and TP our first this, second this, and third low of the day. Okay, trail it many times. Price maybe hit this and go back. Is this happen? Okay, so let's see. Price came and hit our TP. Yeah. Okay, guys, this is the ICT Judas swing. Okay, if you want, Friday remains, so I will also show you the Friday as well, the last day, yesterday. Now we are on the last day of the week, Friday, 18 August. This was yesterday. So we are mark out all things as per ICT Judas swing. Just sweep out and we will shift to the 1 minute time frame, the low. Okay. Now we will wait for a market structure shift with displacement. Okay, so we have this market structure. Okay, we need 1 minute to be break. Here not confuse, okay, because these are so low, but this is not a valid swing. It can be a fractal, but if you are do with fractal, just back test. Okay, but I do only in Judas swing with this valid pullback of SMC. Okay, also you can use a fractal, but many time you can step out as well. Okay, so back test it or comment in the section. I will also check and wait for you. Okay, so yeah, price make, we have a fair value gap. Okay, so does we have another fair value gap? Yeah, we have here fair value gap as well. This one is filled by this one. So what we do, we put the long position here, limit, put our stop loss to the downside, target to the opposite side of liquidity. Okay, equal lows, then second, then third. Okay, so let's say price what to, yeah, price, we are in the trade, we hit our TP, and that's it. Okay, if you guys learn from this video, make sure you subscribe my channel. I am seeing people are not subscribing my channel. Make sure you join our community, link of the Telegram in the below. If you need a zero spread broker on gold and major pairs, I have also a broker in the description. You will find, just sign up in 20 minutes. It's free, and believe me, you will be a successful. Okay, the next thing I want to show you, this is my Telegram channel where I post SMC based, ICT based trading strategy and my own strategy. So please join this one. It's will free of cost. Okay, and join our community. Meet you in the next video. Comment the next topic that you want to see that I talk about. So best of luck.